How to send a CV file via email using a phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send a CV file via email using your phone. So it's an easy process. So first thing first, just head over to your My Files or any of the file explorer that you have on your device and simply open up your PDF format of CV which you are ready to apply to any of the companies for your particular job. And once inside here, just tap on this share button over here and simply select the second option, that is share as an attachment. So just tap on continue, and once inside this screen, just select Gmail option over here and simply head over to Gmail. And now simply select or type in the Gmail of the person to whom you want to send, such as your company email or person's email or HR email. So for now I'll simply select one over here, and just like that you can easily send your CV as a PDF format from your Gmail on your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.